Hey, friend.
Ew!
My farm. Go outside and take a look. You gotta kill all those creatures out there. I know it seems cruel, but trust me, they deserve to die.
Dude, I'm really scared. Oh no. Jack, help. Jack, I'm
What?
scared. I think I'm scared. Hear the music.
Wait, pig.
Ow! Ah!
Jesus!
Ew! Ew!
I'm reloading. Oh my
Pig,
god.
this is so disgusting, dude. I can't even. Oh my god, I
I
literally
can't even
can't.
comprehend what's happening. Oh god! Pig, pig.
What? What pig?
No, I am talking to you.
Ah!
Wait,
Dude.
how many people shooting at retarded? Oh, what the
Dude, ew! Oh my god, dude!
Jesus!
Dude! These guys are scary,
Ew,
dude.
this is disgusting.
Dude, if the music does not help, dude. Oh my god! This game is gross,
Oh
dude!
god, get it away!
I'm not even kidding, dude. This is even worse than Counter-Strike.
I think I want to go back.
Dude,
They're actual pigs now, retarded. Live.
Dude, chill them. Chill them now.
Dude, stop killing my pet pig.
Dude, oh my god, this is. There's only one more pill, though.
Pig Lutch.
Dude, I'm meat grinding stuff. Hold on, pig, I'm meat grinding stuff. Whoa, pig.
Wait, pig Lutch. Look what I'm bringing something to the meat grinder, retarded.
What? Pig, you brought an entire pig to the meat grinder.
Yeah. Watch this. Wait. Giga.
Okay. Pig, come here. Dude, stupido. Retarded, get over here, pig. You're missing out on the good game. Stupido!
Yeah.
Get over here, to be honest. Stupid pig, dude. Get over
Jumping,
here.
retarded. I see you.
You
Look at
die.
that pig. Oh, here's
How
the
would
boss
you-
fight. Yes.
Pig, what do you mean? Oh god, you're right.
Pig, this is gonna be amazing.
Pig, I really don't want to fight this boss.
Get out there and have some fun. Don't let
Pig,
me
set
hold
the
you back.
difficulty back to me.
Pig, I'm not setting it back to normal, not now.
I'm the needy, greedy piggy, and I'm just gonna keep myself and my big fat head until you shoot me down and gut me to die. Blah blah blah. I will talk to you until you're sick of hearing my stupid voice.
No! Greedy piggy!
Dude, he is greedy.
Ah! Pig, help! Pig, please kill it. Pig, oh god!
Oh god. Oh god.
Hurry- Ah!
Pig, help.
Ah! Ah! Shoot him.
Pig, whenever he's healing.
Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Pig, help! Pig, we need to kill this fat boss!
Pig.
Dude, yeah! Ah! Pig, I have to get more ammo. Oh god! Oh my god, the door's locked. Pig, we're dead.
Pig. Uh-oh. Oh god!
Oh my god! Oh!
Hey, I'm almost dead. Dude, he's so retarded looking.
Dude, he's chasing me now! Ammo, 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 please, 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 please! Ah! Give me ammo.
Pig, help, 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 help.
Pig, where is he?
Help, help, help!
Dude, he's dead, he's dead! Oh god. Oh my god. Pig, that was... Oh my god. Dude, we're getting close to another boss battle. I'm scared. Die, 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 die. Burn, 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 burn. Now, now, now. Oh, okay. Oh god. Ah!
Oh my god!
Ow! Ow!
I have a feeling you're in for one rough day. It's a shame about Princess. She was our prize pig for 3 years in a row. Now she's grown into the ugliest, shittiest, massive pile of waste you ever saw. Even worse than my ex-wife.
Oh my
She's going
god!
to suffer.
Hey dude, it kind of looks like you.
Dude, shut up.
Ah! Dude! I'm throwing grenades at it. Throw grenades. Ew, it just... Oh my god!
What?
It's just pooping.
Bye.
Check it, literally. Ew! Ew, shoot its bomb. Ew!
Oh my god. What?
Ah!
Pig,
Ah!
pig,
They can suck me in!
pig. No way!
Oh my god! Ew!
Drinking at milk.
Oh! No!
Oh god, no!
Oh!
Stuck in the worst spot.
No! It keeps pooping all over. Ew! Dude, I hate this so much. No! Dude, can this thing please die, to be honest? Oh, thank God. Ah! No, hold on, retarded. Where are you? Why does she keep doing that? It's so gross. Jump, dude. Okay, I killed the next heart, dude. Stupido! I think it's gonna jump.
Okay, we got it, we got it, we got it.
Please be dead, please be dead. Ew!
Oh my god, dude, that's disgusting. That was even better than the other one.
Dude, that was like 3 times as... actually, the intro to the other one was really gross.
Well, yeah,
When it-
because it was just standing outside. Okay.
Dude, that was scary, the intro to the other one.
One word, Princess. It's ironic because she grew up to be anything but royalty. Now she's a disgusting pile of guts, shit, and vomit. And you made sure of that. Congrats.
Take a lich over there. You stupid pig! Dude, that's not funny. You stupid! Oh my god! Pig die, dude. I knew you were gonna put. Dude, you're not funny to be honest. Dude, stop! You look so gross when you're shooting that. Look at me shoot it from the side. I'm holding the handle with 2 hands.
Pig ledge. The farmer wrote a message for you.
What? Stop!
Pig, what are you doing? Are you drawing a picture?
Dude, I wrote retarded. Pig, walk out the door real quick.
Pig,
Ha 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 ha.
any floor from right here.
What does it say? Joe is. Dude! Oh my god! That's not funny.